Price prediction of Stargate Finance, evaluating the investment potential of Stargate Finance. Stargate Finance is a liquidity transfer protocol that facilitates the transfer of native assets between multiple chains. The platform is recognized for its facilitation of interoperability and decentralization through its capability to facilitate token swaps across several blockchains. The Stargate Financial Network simplifies the intricate processes involved in cross-chain decentralized finance, DeFi, hence facilitating the seamless transfer of assets across different chains and decentralized applications, dApps. The primary characteristics: individuals have the ability to exchange their original assets between different blockchain networks at a 1-to-1 ratio and have access to Stargate's integrated liquidity pools. The platform facilitates the transfer of assets across different blockchain networks without the need for intermediaries. The advantages of Stargate Finance. The site enables users to accrue stablecoin incentives for every Stargate transfer. Individuals have the ability to engage in LP token farming, wherein they can offer liquidity and receive STG benefits in return. Stargate token holders have the opportunity to engage in staking activities by utilizing their STG tokens, thereby earning VESTG tokens in exchange. These VESTG tokens serve as the governance token for the platform. Users have the opportunity to accrue a share of the transaction fees generated by token swaps on the Stargate network by offering liquidity. The network enables members to optimize their financial gains by engaging in yield farming activities. The subject of analysis pertains to the financial statistics of Stargate, a decentralized finance, DeFi, application, as reported by Dapradar. The Stargate platform exhibits a prominent position, characterized by a substantial balance of $404.98 million, a notable count of 2.41 million unique active wallets, UAW, and a considerable volume amounting to $3.04 billion. Radiant secures the second position with a balance of $339.92 million, 97.05k UAW, user-adjusted weight, and a volume of $871.73 million. Despite having a significantly lesser balance of $673.98 thousand, MetaMask Swap is ranked third in terms of UAW. Good Dollar and Synapse have similar trends in terms of unadjusted weighted average, UAW, with corresponding balances of $1.68 million and $34.39 million. The Synapse platform has experienced a remarkable growth rate of 1,190.97% in its activity levels over a 30-day period. The native utility token of Stargate Finance is referred to as STG. The STG token possesses a maximum quantity of 1 billion tokens, of which 168,333,224 STG tokens are presently in circulation, accounting for around 17% of the total supply. The subsequent are the utilization scenarios of the STG token. STG tokens have the capability to be staked in order to accrue incentives. As a result, the participation in the governance of the platform is open to STG token holders. In light of the various use scenarios and advantages associated with Stargate Finance, it appears to present a somewhat compelling proposition for investment. The recent development entails the launch of the Stargate STG/USDC liquidity pool, LP, by Stargate Finance on the SpookySwap platform, facilitated by the utilization of USDC provided by Layer 0 Labs. This implies that the process of swapping STG tokens on the Phantom blockchain has been restored to a state of convenience. Price prediction of Stargate Finance: is it likely that the value of Stargate Finance will reach $10? In order for the STG token to attain a value of $10, it must see a growth of 17 times its current value, resulting in a market capitalization of $2 billion. In addition, the STG token attained its highest recorded value of $4.20 in April 2022, exhibiting a growth of almost 5.38 times within a single month, starting from its lowest price of 78 cents in March 2022. It is not uncommon for the value of cryptocurrencies to experience a significant increase of 10 to 15 times over a span of 4 to 5 years, especially under circumstances characterized by good liquidity conditions and justifiable utilization scenarios. Price prediction of Stargate Finance. Is it likely for the value of Stargate Finance to attain $100? In order for the STG token to attain a value of $100, it would necessitate a growth of 170 times its current value, resulting in a market capitalization of $20 billion. Considering the limited utilization and performance of STG, it is improbable that its value will experience a 170-fold increase in the near future. The optimal outcome for Stargate Finance would involve the implementation of a substantial burn program, resulting in a reduction of supply by 75%. This paper presents an aggregated analysis of price predictions for Stargate Finance in the years 2023, 2025, and 2030. According to our analysis, the projected price for Stargate Finance in 2023 is estimated to be $1.1. According to the projected analysis, the anticipated value of Stargate Finance in the year 2025 is estimated to be $2.50. According to the analysis conducted, the projected price for Stargate Finance in the year 2030 is estimated to be $12.20. The dollar's instability, the effects of de-dollarization, and China's worries will affect the price of Bitcoin. At the moment, the BTC/USD is down 0.25%, and its selling price is $26,025. In a world where the dollar is unstable, de-dollarization efforts face big problems that could affect Bitcoin prices. Even though China doesn't like it, the dollar is still doing well, even after what happened at the Jackson Hole Symposium. Most experts think that there won't be any rate increases in 2023. And they think that any rate cuts won't happen until March 2024. How dollar volatility affects de-dollarization and Bitcoin prices. A market analyst at DailyFX named Zain Vada explains how the recent instability of currencies in China, Russia, and Argentina hurts attempts to move away from the dollar. Trust is important because the USD has been the most stable, reliable, and flexible currency since the gold standard. These countries have trouble keeping their currency stable, which makes it hard to believe that they could join under a single currency to compete with the dollar. Before the meeting of the BRICS economic group, there are problems with the plan for a BRICS currency. The biggest problem with making a clear plan for de-dollarization is that member countries don't always agree with each other. There could be a drop in BTC prices if investors become less confident in the ability of alternative currencies to question the USD's dominance. BTC often does well when there is financial chaos and confusion. Even though China disappointed, the dollar kept its strong position at